Wagwan massive.
You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And we back today with another video.
Story time, y'all.
But before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright?
Definitely.
Alright guys, so about 3 years ago, we were living in Flint, Michigan. And some stuff happened. Some stuff went down. You know what I'm saying? We got shot at. It was crazy.
Alright, so we used to live on the northwest side of town. Big house, about 3 stories. It was the corner house, so a lot of action happened. If y'all seen Flint Town, y'all know a lot of drama and crime and stuff happened in Flint. Alright, so we were sleeping. It's about 2 a.m. And all we heard was pop, 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 pop. Like, it was so many shots. I don't even remember how many shots we heard. We just heard a ton of shots, right?
And it was right under us. It was so close, like literally right under our window. Yeah, where we heard the shots.
That's where they had went down too. That's where it happened at too. Because when we went outside, there was a lot of bullet holes right there on the side where we were sleeping at. Like all the bullet holes came through the house and everything. It was crazy. But anyways, so we wake up. Our door was locked. So all we heard was banging on the door. So I'm thinking, oh shit, they in the house. So I grabbed my gun. You know what I'm saying? Walk to the door. It was actually my siblings and stuff was banging on the door to make sure we was all right. So that was crazy. I thought somebody came into the house shooting. That's how loud the shots were. It sounded like it was inside the freaking house. So yep. Once we went out there, everybody came upstairs to the hallway. Everybody came upstairs to the second floor. In the hallway, because it was another set of shots after, right?
Yeah, it was multiple shots.
Yeah, so it was the first few shots. And when we had woke up all the way, it was some more shots that happened.
And we jumped off the bed and went on the floor, you know what I'm saying, trying to take cover. And then that's when they start banging on the door, like, Jessie, trying to wake us up because they thought we would sleep, but we wasn't asleep. It was right by our window, so we heard everything, you know what I'm saying? Like, we heard everything.
I don't even know what kind of guns was used to sound. It was powerful, whatever.
It was loud.
So all the kids and stuff was in the hallway, you know, everybody's taking cover and everything, and all we hear is some glass breaking. Whoa, we thought everybody was upstairs, but I guess my other brother, he was downstairs, Tyrone, he came running upstairs. Everybody all right, everybody good? He's like, are they in the house right now? He's like, I don't think so, we'll make sure everybody good.
His pit bull flew through the window.
So my mom got a patio door downstairs, separates the patio from the living room, and he kind of like had his little man cave and patio area. So we went downstairs to check and to see was the house hit up or what exactly was going on. Glass was everywhere. It was a glass patio door. He jumped right through the patio door, y'all. I'm telling you. Like, my mom was so mad. He's still over to this day. Still ain't paying her for that. But he jumped right through that patio door, glass everywhere. He's just dramatic. He could have just unlocked the door.
I mean, he had a reason too, though, because the shots, some of the bullets came through where he was at on the patio.
Yeah, it did.
So he had some kind of reason, but I felt like he broke the whole, because it's a double door, y'all. Yeah. And he broke the whole double door. The thing came off the hinges. The door came off the hinges. The glass broke it completely. Like, what kind of strength you got? Footballer?
Right.
Quarterback?
The door swings open this way, like towards him. He went head first through that door, pushing it the opposite way, and broke that.
His big old pit bull.
Hey, they both got
Don't forget that.
He got a big ass head. My brother, he got a big ass head, y'all. That motherfucker went head first through that door.
Did he get scratches from that? Because I don't remember.
So. I don't think so.
That's crazy how he ain't get no scratches from all them glass breaking.
It's probably that adrenaline running.
Man.
But yeah, it's crazy, y'all. That it was crazy. Thank God nobody was hurt, nobody was injured. We had called the police. It was weird. I was a firefighter at this time, and it's weird. One of my closest friends right now on the police force. I told him about the story and stuff, and I found out he was actually the one who came to my house and took the report that day. But that's crazy. That's how small fun is. That's crazy.
And then a lot of stuff came to light that night.
Oh,
let me tell you, because
man.
everybody was like, what the heck happened? Like, why is somebody shooting at the house? You know what I'm saying? So everybody starts snitching on everybody, like, remember when you did such and such?
It was
you
so
got into so
much stuff that we didn't know what was going on.
Man, everybody was spilling their guts. They was snitching on each other. Said, oh, so that's what y'all been up to. Okay, all right. But it turned out it didn't have nothing to do with any of that, you know what I'm saying? Or us, you know what I'm saying? Because it was just like, how do you say? It's not a drive-by. It was like a ride-by.
It was a chase. So it was a guy on a bike getting chased by somebody at a car. In the corner house, they was turning off the corner. Yeah. And then the guy was shooting at the guy on the bike.
At him, yep. And it just so happened he was by the house, you know what I'm saying? But
and hit the house up. Yep.
I'm not gonna tell no lie. I was scared that day. I was like, I'm not sleeping here. We got to go to a hotel or something because I'm not spending the night here. We got to go because I'm not used to that. I'm not used to getting shot at or, you know what I'm saying, being around gunshots like that. I mean,
if you from Detroit, Flint, Chicago, you know, any of those places like that, you used to it already. You've been shot at more than once before. I mean, come on now. At least heard gunshots before.
I never said I didn't hear it. I'm not used to being around that kind of environment. Whatever, Jessie. And I don't care what y'all say about Jamaica. Y'all can say we violent and we do this and all that. I ain't never experienced no stuff like that. That was crazy. You hear me? Ever in my life, never experienced nothing like that. And I was like shaking. I was ready to go. I was like, babe, we get to the hotel. We not spending the night here. But I tell you, everybody packed up and left.
Because we didn't know who was.
We all packed up and left.
It was crazy, yo.
Man, I wasn't finna spend the night there, especially since we didn't know, you know what I'm saying, until the next day what happened. We don't know what happened, so we was like, nah, we got to go.
Who house we go over? I think we went over. Who house? We went over somebody's house.
Devontae. They had just got their apartment. Yeah, we went to their house.
That's so funny.
All of us. We packed up and went over. I know they was like, what? Y'all can just go back home. We don't want all that. Because it was a lot of us. Man. And they just got their apartment and we went over there and spent the night. Well, a couple of hours because we didn't even sleep. We didn't sleep at all because we were just so, you know, like, what the heck's going on? We was just in shock. So
yeah, her John and Joe was up there. Who was crying?
Mish was crying.
Mish was like 9. That's the little bitty sister. So she was crying. Everything. Yeah, it was cool.
She was holding on to me so tight.
It's cool once we found out
what happened.
You know that nobody was hurt, and you know what had happened. So you know,
yeah,
we good.
But she was scared though. She was crying. She was like, oh. I'm like, it's okay. It's okay. Meanwhile, I'm over here bugging like with her, but she don't know because I'm trying to hide it, you know. So she don't get super scared more than she already is. Yep. But yeah, that was some crazy time.
So that's the first time, y'all. We got more times. You know, we're gonna tell y'all like all the times, all the crazy stuff that happens to us and everything. But that's gonna be the end of this video.
Alright guys, so that was the end of our story time. You know what I'm saying? Blow up the comment section. Let us know what you think. If you want more story times, I'm not going to say they all crazy like that one, but we got some stories, okay?
Alright, well, let us know. Let us know. Have you ever been shot at before? I want to know. Is it normal? Or is that just a Flint thing? Is that a normal thing or is it just a Flint thing? Let me know.
I'm glad we don't live there no more because I couldn't do it.
Yeah, now we got deers running out in the yards and stuff. It's quiet over here.
That is too, you know.
They wasn't even shooting on New Year's.
Oh my God. Here. What's that one meme? Oh my God, I'm in the ghetto. But it wasn't the ghetto though. I don't know how to explain it. It wasn't the ghetto. It wasn't the ghetto. But
you just digging a hole. Just give me that shovel.
Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And you will have good luck for the rest of the year.
Until next time, y'all. Wait. You already know what time it is. It is motivational quote of the day, all right? Today's quote, you guys, is keep the hustle. Don't stop. Keep going. There's a lot of people in this world who start things, then they stop. They start and they give up. The key to keep going is to remember why you started in the first place. Go back to what made you go in the first place. All right? You were hungry. You wanted to hustle. You wanted to change your life around. You had your goals. Remember why you started. That's going to help you keep going. All right? When you feel like giving up, remember why you started, and that's going to give you the fuel, the energy to keep going. I felt like somebody out here tonight needed to hear this, and I hope it helps somebody out. All right? Keep your hustle. Keep going. Remember why you started. Don't give up. You guys stay smooth, stay blessed, and until next time, hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All right? You'll have good luck for the rest of the year. Until next time, you guys.